Okay, guys. Oh, I just woke up. Yes, I know. But I'm gonna change. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. Or over here. Sorry about the mess over here. Yeah. So, P.S. I have this. It's a rainbow dash thing. I wanted to get a Pusheen onesie, but they gave me the wrong order. So, yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna make fluffy slime, and tomorrow I'm going to show you the other way how to make slime without marker. So yeah, so let's get to it. First, you need something to mix with. You need you need air wick, air freshener. I chose vanilla. So yeah, you need mixing. Whoa. Let me get a mixing tool. You need a mixing tool. Yeah. I used a color pencil. You need some regular orange glue. I got a big bottle of it. Yeah. And then you just need shaving foam. And it cannot be gel before. It should look something like this. Yeah, it's not gelling or anything. So yeah, that's all the ingredients that you need. So first, you want to get your glue. No, okay, you cannot see me do this. So, bam. So I'm just so hard. Okay, but I'm gonna make that much. But then you want to add that, I guess. Then you want to mix it. Okay, you can't see what I'm doing. Whoop-bam. Okay. And then you want to get your air freshener. Okay. I'm sorry. I like to make a pool of it. So yeah. I'm sorry. I just don't know how to make these. Bam. Okay. And yes. And I got this. And how I got this recipe. I leave a description down below. And yes, it looks sort of weird, but that's okay. Oh, this is really hard. So yeah, I'll catch you up after I'm done with this. Now, there it is. Now, the smaller it is, you can't really poke it. So, yeah. But now I'm gonna get a color. So I'm gonna use it right there. I wanna go for a nice blue. Wabam. Just gonna mix it. You can't see it. And bam. You got what you wished for. I hope this was useful. And yeah. So give me a like. Yeah. And so give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, and I don't care. And yeah. Later today I'm gonna make how to use paint to use this. Okay, yeah. And if you wanna make me yeah. Sorry. I'm just really tired. I already went to bed I only went to bed, wow. I went to bed at around 12 o'clock, and so that's why I'm tired. And yes, it's very sticky at first, Get off of me, please. I need to finish the video. Help me. Okay, then. Here's another slime that I made. Yeah, I already showed you guys yesterday. But yeah. But this is my favorite slime. So, do you guys like this slime? This slime? Or, if I can find it, hold on. Or do you guys like, this slime? The pink slime? Or do you guys like this slime? Leave the comments below, and I'll see you later, or I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.